done. And this is my story. I hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone. Today we're going to make our paper plate reindeer. All we need is a brush. We need is a brown paint because we're going to paint it brown. All we need is this red oval shaped paper over here for the nose, and this one is for the face. This yellow shape. See? These are the difference. See? Next we have eyes. You see these two eyes here? Ta-da! Two black circle eyes. Just like that. And all we need is these and pink.
What is the pink for?
These are for the cheeks. These are for the ears. And could you guess what are these? You're right. They are antlers. Now we need is the plate. Let's start now. First, we need paint. We need to paint it brown. Be careful with this, or be careful, or else the brown paint will spill it on it, or even on the table. Just a little dip, then paint. Now we'll dip and paint. Once the brown paint is very dry, you can now put these with this glue or this glue. See the difference? Now then, let's put these together. Thank you for watching.